So in our master shower, we didn't have an exhaust fan in this rental house we moved into. So this is what it looked like before. I only kind of have pictures of the ceiling. So I took the original light out and put this little plug in with the light bulb. Alright, so here in the master bath toilet area, we've got wood right here that I don't really want to cut. And then over here we've got this. It's in the way, so I kind of need to go in this cavity right here, which is towards the front, kind of like that. So I'm gonna put the fan over here, and I'm gonna put the light, this one over here, centered with the toilet and the door. So here we got, this is where we're gonna go out this side of the wall. You know, out the side of the bathroom with the exhaust fan right there between those two little screws right there. That's where it's gonna be. Vents down that way, and then we're gonna come right out the side of the siding. All right, so here we go. That's my primer hole right there. It's where I can go either direction. So I went off my pilot hole, and I had to look inside and then outside a couple of times at least to make sure that I positioned it and I orientated it right so that I didn't hit the top plate of the wall, or, you know, make sure I didn't cut a hole that I wouldn't be able to use. And I also didn't have a hole saw big enough, so what I used was a small drill bit, and I made probably 30 or 40 little holes. Here we got our duct. Ran through it to the outside, and we're going to connect this to it on the outside. Okay, and that's that. Line is there. Ran all the way. And ready to connect on the inside. Now I went ahead and opted for the Bluetooth speaker type of fan. It's 80 CFM, so it's enough to pull out the moisture and the humidity. Don't get a 50 CFM, it's not enough. But we like it. Alright, here is the vent is finished and ran. Now we can run the wire and put sheetrock back. Alright, so this is in the middle of running the wire. Got our double. Now this originally had a 1 gang box in there, so I had to carefully rip that out with a flat bar and install this new 2 gang box that's made for applications where you have sheetrock already. Switch box. Gotta run the wire just right up to there, wire it in, and then it'll be ready for us to run our ducts. And then we can cover it back up.